Hello and welcome to this very special lesson where we are going to practice speaking English together in a way that is very simple and easy to understand. If you feel like you are stuck and cannot move forward with your English learning, please do not worry because this is a very natural feeling for many people. Today we will focus on small steps that will help you feel free and happy when you use your English words in your daily life. You are listening to Episode for English, and my goal is to make you feel like a strong and capable speaker who can share thoughts with the world. Please take a deep breath and let your mind become very quiet because we are going to enjoy this journey in a very calm and supportive way right now. You are doing a wonderful job just by being here, and I am so proud of you for choosing to practice with me today. When you feel stuck, it usually means that you are trying to be too perfect or you are thinking about difficult grammar rules that make your brain feel very tired. The best way to break this feeling is to go back to very simple sentences that you can say without any fear or hesitation at all. For example, you can look at the things in your room and say their names out loud, like this is a table or the window is open today. These small sentences may seem very easy, but they are actually building a very strong foundation for your confidence every time you say them. By speaking these words clearly, you are telling your brain that English is not a scary thing but a helpful tool that you can use whenever you want. If you enjoy this slow and friendly way of learning, please consider subscribing to our channel so we can keep growing our skills together every week. It is such a pleasure to have you here, and I am very glad to be your teacher as we walk this path toward better English together. One big reason why many beginners feel stuck is because they think they have to speak very fast to sound like they are good at the language. I want to tell you that speaking slowly is actually a very smart choice because it gives you time to think and it helps people understand you better. When you speak slowly, you can feel the shape of every word in your mouth, and you can make sure that your voice is steady and calm. If you are talking to a friend, you can say, I am sorry, I need to speak slowly today because I am still practicing my English conversation. Most people will be very kind and they will be happy to wait for you because they want to hear the interesting things you have to say. You are a very interesting person and your voice is very important, even if you only use a few simple words to express your big ideas. Let us think about some daily examples where you can practice your English, even when you feel like you do not know enough words yet. When you go to the kitchen to make some tea, you can say, I am making tea now and I will put some sugar in my cup because I like sweet things. This is a very simple daily life conversation that you can have with yourself to make English feel like a normal part of your home. You can also talk about your feelings by saying, I am a little bit tired today, or I feel very happy because the sun is shining through the clouds. On Episode for English, we believe that talking about your real life is the best way to stop feeling stuck and start feeling like a real speaker. You do not need a big book of words to tell someone how you feel or what you are doing in your beautiful day. If you make a mistake, please do not let it stop you from speaking because mistakes are just little lessons that help you get much better over time. Every great speaker once made many mistakes, and that is exactly how they learned to be so clear and confident with their words. When you say something wrong, you can just smile and say it again in a different way because there is no rush and no one is judging you. You are a learner, and learning is a very brave act that requires a lot of heart and a lot of patience with yourself every single day. I want you to be your own best friend and say kind things to yourself when you find a new word or finish a difficult sentence. You are making progress even when you cannot see it, and every minute you spend listening to this English is making you much stronger. Another way to feel less stuck is to learn short phrases that you can use in many different places without changing any of the words at all. Phrases like "How are you doing?" or "Thank you for your help" are very useful, and they make you sound very natural and friendly to everyone you meet. You can practice these phrases until they feel as easy as breathing, and then you will notice that you do not have to think so hard when you speak. This creates more space in your brain for new words, and it helps the language flow out of your mouth like a gentle river in the forest. You are doing a wonderful job, and I can feel your confidence growing as we talk about these simple ways to improve your skills. Remember that you do not have to learn everything in one day, because a little bit of practice every day is the secret to becoming an expert. As we come to the end of our lesson today, I want you to feel very relaxed and happy with the work you have done with me. You are no longer stuck because you have the tools to move forward one small and easy step at a time with a very calm heart. I want you to carry this peace with you as you go about your day, and try to say just one simple English sentence to someone you meet. You are a very capable person, and you have so much potential to become the speaker you have always wanted to be in your dreams. I am looking forward to our next lesson, where we will find more ways to make English feel like a fun and easy part of your life. Have a very wonderful day, and remember to be proud of yourself for every little thing you do to reach your goals. I will see you very soon for our next peaceful episode, and I wish you all the best in your practice today.